So yeah, Bitcoin is crawling back up toward $86,000 again at the time I'm making this video. Sounds good on screen and paper, right? The headlines are starting to pop off. People are getting excited. But I don't know, man. There's something weird in the air. You feel that too? It's like, yeah, the price is moving, but not everyone buying the hype, including me. Some sharp trader like Stockmoney lizards, these guys have been freakishly accurate in past cycle. They're saying this might not be the breakout we're hoping for, not yet. Why? Because we're still stuck under the key resistance zone around $87,500 to $88,000, and until we punch through that wall and stay above it, this whole thing could be a setup, just another fake out. It's kind of like climbing a ladder that feels loose. You're not falling, sure, but that doesn't mean it's safe. Brandt, legend in the trading world, dropped a line that hit me hard. He said breaking a downtrend line doesn't mean the trend has changed. And he's right. That's where a lot of people slip up. They see green candle and gets too confident too soon. So if you're sitting there feeling uncertain, honestly, that's healthy. That means you're actually thinking, good. But let's back up a little, zoom out, because while all these price actions is going on, the world outside, total madness. Tensions between the US and China are heating up again. Tariffs are flying. Global debt off the charts. And fiat money, people don't trust it anymore. Central banks are scrambling, trying to hold everything together and failing quietly. But in the middle of that mess, Bitcoin just sitting there, still standing, unbothered. And that's not some coincidence. That's exactly what it was built for. Think back to the last trade war in 2019. Everything's felt uncertain, just like now. And while most markets fail, Bitcoin went from $5,000 to over $12,000 quietly. No permission, no warning, just boom. Why? Because people start losing trust in the system. They start looking for something outside of it. Something that can't be frozen, printed, or inflated into oblivion. Bitcoin doesn't need your trust. It earns it, one block at a time. And that's what makes it different. In a world where your monies can vanish overnight or get locked down by a bank error, the ideas of having full control over your own value, that's not a luxury anymore. That's a survival. Now sure, Bitcoin's still volatile. I get it. But that's part of the deal. It's still early. We're watching the internet of money go through puberty. It's awkward, it's loud, and it stumbles sometimes, but man, it's growing. And this whole move we're seeing right now, to me, it's not just some pump. It feels more like a stress test. And so far, Bitcoin passing with flying color. It's not screaming bull market just yet, but it is whispering, I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere. And while most folks are distracted by the news cycle, the whales, yeah, they're quietly stacking, same as always. Bitcoins keep doing what it's done since day one, producing a new block every 10 minutes, no matter what chaos is going on out there. That kind of consistency, that is rare right now. So here's where I'm at. If you're stacking, keep stacking. If you're new, watch, learn, ask questions. If you're unsure, that's okay. That's probably smart. But whatever you do, don't ignore what's happening, because next time the system stumble, Bitcoins might not just bounce, it might launch. If this helped you make sense of the noise, do me a favor. Tap the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. We got more to talk about. And don't forget, my friends, whatever you have right now, make sure to hold it tight and stack it right. Take care.